Hey guys, wait, no, check it when I upload this vid. Cause I just told to them that I am now wreck. Lol. So yeah guys, what's up guys? Jump here back to more videos. So yeah, this guy got a lot. I'm just hoping not their knives, their levels, and their perks. And I got fake gun. No. And I'm gonna try to pick gun. I'm a sherry. Yay! Oh yeah! Won't believe me. Sorry, gotta go. Sorry. Hey, I'm the sheriff. JK. There's nobody will come here. I wish I got the ghost though. I got the gun. Where's that gun? No. Lol. Where is that guy? Oh, it's a girl or it's a boy. GG. That was good by not following me, Queen. Check my channel and you will see the video. I'm not a liar. Sorry, gotta go. Because I love this song. And yeah, I'm just gonna show it later the song when you know it. So like and subscribe. I chose scammers too. Oh, his bacon one is the sheriff. Sorry, gotta go. Yay. So this is a luck that I got murderer like only 2 rounds. Wow. And I think I will not have luck anymore. It's okay. Okay. Wanna trade badly. Okay. Okay, who just died? Bacon Man is the murd. Bacon Man is the murd. Oh, he's on mobile. Nope. Okay, done. Okay, I'm just gonna show the video now. Yes, I'll just show it like the last vid now. Okay, GG. I think I'm gonna show it now. This thing.
About is healing the open, sliding down a mountain. Only takes a little damage. Oh look, there's a shed with a scar and a bandage.
Oh yes, I just killed another pleb. Call me Black Widow, baby, walk into my web. Here, fishy, fishy, look at all the goodies.
I really like that song, and I play Fortnite too. So yeah, I'm innocent. Okay, my vid is almost done. No. I think she's a liar. I'm gonna try to change my perch now to ghost. And who is it? And she's really innocent. Oh, that scared me. When I have webcam on, you can see me that I'm scared. So I think I'll change my face and say so I'm almost done. And would you look at that? Look at that! Yeah, I just craft all my weapons because of here. Yeah, nobody win. Here, fishy, fishy. I think she's a liar.
Maybe normal, but I know. Maybe normal, but I know average girl.
Who just died? Who just died? Please, me want the gun.
Choose me, baby, come on, give me a whirl.
No, it's been taken. Wait.
They say an Evie is a trainer's best friend. Of all the birds that topple up, you can make me pick your favorite.
Oh!
I can evolve to match most any taste. The perfect fit for your.
GG. Oh, man. I wanted. I'm gonna ask for trade. Can we trade godly's melodic snowflake and share logger. I don't know. It logs everyone. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? The only thing I hate this map is the vents drop. And please wish the gun. I want to have it. I know. She don't answer anything that she's innocent. Oh, she G. Who's the nerd? Turn off the sound. GG. Lol. I think I'm gonna use lol. Haha. I think a little bit more rounds. Sorry, I don't talk that much. So yeah, I'll be playing Jailbreak later. I'll make some videos, I think later again, or no, because it's hard to edit. And sorry about the loud songs that I will put, or no loud songs. So yeah. Noob. What noob? What noob? Noobs. Mean new player. Noob. He's really a new player. Oh no. She got ghost.
I am fun. I am pretty. I am beautiful.
No, you're ugly.
I am
Mommy.
fire.
Okay, let's just
You're
see.
fire.
Okay, just see my face.
Lock you inside, take advantage of the rookies. Open up a window and lay down the spice. You try to break free, but it's overtaken night. I make it look easy, it ain't that hard. Surprise, you just have to beat my trap card.
Hold up, everybody be quiet. Don't want the enemy seeing me when I'm hiding. Ducked in the bushes, never see me spying. Silencer on the pistol, you on the ground crying. I'm flying off a launch pad, landing in the trees. Snipe from above, peeking through the...
And that's the last dude. Uninstall the game because honestly you're trash, dude.
Take it, wow, wow, wow. Now you crying to your mommy, but guess what, Bobby? Now you back in the lobby. No gameplay real ratchet. Other players in the realm, you know they cannot match it. And when we done, we hit them with a dance. I boogie with my feet, then I boogie with my hands.
Okay, we're done. Okay, and what words am I using? Okay, there. And I won't put any song. And this, I'll just put this song. Yeah.
What up, y'all? It's C's in the bills. And when I'm in the game, I like to style with my kills. You know that I am the king of Dusty. You trying too hard, but you smelling mad musty. Killing me? You must be mistaken. Because it's your life that I will be taking. Wham, wham, wham. Now you crying to your mommy. But guess what, Bobby? Now you back in the lobby. Oh, gameplay real ratchet. Other players in the realm, you know they cannot match it. And when we done, we hit them with a dance. I boogie with my feet, then I boogie with my hands.
I
Trigger
think
trash
I'll make
cans
a
when they
video
solve
like
this
this.
increase. Sorry, gotta go. Double G, double B. Sorry, trigger trash cans when they solve this increase. Sorry, gotta go. Double G, double B. Sorry.
I'm in the hilltops, views real nice. I got the kill shot, you will die. When I aim one per equals one life. Man, I told
Yeah, I
you to
think you
talk
can
about my
see
size.
here.
You know scope, I quick scope, you will choke. The loud bang make you jump, for real though. You real slow when you crouch, I got you. Now you're in the lobby wondering who shot you.
Yeah, always like never low key. I'm the king, you know me. Steady shot, I'm an OG. Hear that? Cause I'm coming for the trophy. Fortnite, let's go. I get it all night for sure. I'm on that Fortnite, let's go. I get it all night for sure. Yeah. I got a green submachine gun, dude sick. Everybody's building ramps, that's useless. If I keep popping around, they can't shoot me. He got lucky when he hit me with that boogie, I don't care. If they sniping and scoping, I'm really low on health.
Okay.
I'll just heal in the open. Sliding down a mountain only takes
I
a
hope
little
you like
damage.
this
Oh
video
look,
and
there's a shed with a
bye.
scar in